Good day, lads. So if any of you guys want to improve the performance of your SSDs, we have a very new and very cool tweak that you can actually perform to do that. It's going to be about enabling the new native NVMe stack in Windows 11. So what it does, it pretty much just makes your SSDs and your NVMe drives run natively. Because as far as I'm concerned, they kind of run like on some sort of emulation or something like that, so it's not really truly native. It's also safe, reversible, and you can give your SSD a real boost under heavy workloads. And also, guys, if you wish to see what's the difference, of course I will include my before and after benchmarks results on a Samsung 990 Pro. So how do we begin? I will show you in a bit, but before that, I will just show you the article on the original article on the website from where I found this. So the original one is going to be in German. I just translated it with a translator. As you can see, it doesn't matter. So as you can see, a few days ago, we reported that Windows Server will receive a native NVMe support for improved performance. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We are pretty much enabling our SSDs and NVMEs work just like they do on a server, right? So getting the perks of the server. And what will be needed from us in this video, we'll just need to create certain things in our registry, and then we will, of course, gain this performance boost. I will show you even right now. Give me a second. Alright, so here's the text file, guys. So I have I have the entire tutorial, and also I have my data. Let me just scroll down. I will show you all of this later, don't worry. So if you're looking for the proof, so here's my results. So before the tweak, I've had the R&D 4 kilobytes at 700, and now I have it at 1000 plus, as you can see, and we have a plus 36 performance increase. So it doesn't increase your read and write speeds, and increases certain speeds of your NVMe so that it's more snappy. Maybe your apps will start opening faster, etc, etc. So as you can see, we have in one of these, which is the round or R&D 4 kilobytes entry and benchmark, 36% increase, and also some good R&D 4 kilobyte writes increase at 7%. So pretty good, I would say, you know, for just simply adjusting some of the registry things in your computer. And now let us get into how to do it. Just open up your registry editor like this, guys. Let me just do it like this so you guys have an easier time following. So what do you have to do? You just follow the registry keys right down this path. So you go H key local machine, you drop this down, then you go system, then you go current control set, which is this one right here, this key. Then you go to policies, and this is where you will have to start creating our keys. So as you can see, we need to create keys step by step. So firstly, how do you do this? You right click, then you go new, and you create a new key. And this new key is going to be the Microsoft key, all right? So you right click on policies, and then you create a Microsoft key. Then you right click on the Microsoft key that you've just created, then once again new key, and then you create feature management. Then on feature management, right click, new key, and then you create overrides, all right? And then in here, we don't have to create any keys anymore. We need to create the entries right over here. And the entries, how do we create them? You right click, you go new, dword 32-bit value, and then you create them one by one. So the first one is going to be this, just a number entry like this. You just press new like this, dword, and then in here in the name, you just type in the number just like it's in here, and then you're done. Also, guys, of course, for your ease of use, I will, of course, upload all this stuff to Google Drive, and also I will upload the registry key that you can just double click, and all of this stuff will get created in your registry, and you don't have to do this manually if you wish. And then you just create three of these entries, all right? As you can see, I already have them. And then you double click on each one of them and make sure that the value data on each one of them is set to 1. hexadecimal. And after that, guys, after you've done this, you just simply need to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you've restarted, we need to verify the tweak. How do we do this? We just open up our PowerShell. So you just press on Shift on your keyboard and then right-click on your desktop and open PowerShell window here. And then, as said in my tutorial, you just need to type in a certain command. You just copy this command right over here, insert it, press enter, and make sure that your bus type is at the value NVMe. All right, so before the tweak, it will be something different. I don't really remember. I didn't memorize it, but it's going to be different if you see the bus type as NVMe. Then you have now the native support and the native driver is used, just like on the server systems. And you should get this beautiful, what was it, 32 and 36, and also 7% increase in performance. How can you measure this? So before you run any of this stuff, of course, make sure that you're running the benchmark if you wish to, of course, compare them. So let me close this. And you just launch up Crystal Disk Mark. You can just search this up on Google. Then you press on All and measure your benchmark, your results, your performance of your disk drive before this tweak and after this tweak, and then compare. And also, guys, don't forget to let me know in the comments what's your result and how much performance you've gained, or maybe you've gained nothing. Very interested in what kind of results you're getting. My results are as follows, as you can see. You can see them all here. So these are directly exported from this app, just in a text form. And then if you wish to revert, of course, you just go ahead and delete those registry entries. So you just go ahead and open up the same path, and you go ahead into our policies key, and then from here you just delete the Microsoft like that, press on right click, delete, and then you restart your computer, and you can revert if anything goes wrong. And also, of course, if you actually want to try doing this, don't forget to create a restore point as said in my little tutorial. So how do we do this? So you just open up the system properties, you open up the system restore, you go here, and you just restore. Make sure to create the restore point before you do any of this. And then you can just proceed. And if anything goes wrong after the reboot, you can just, pretty much go into the system restore, press on system restore, and just restore to the system backup that you have created before the tweaks. And that's it, guys, from me. Very cool new tweak. Of course, make sure to understand that this won't be for everyone. I'm testing this on more or less top tier NVMe drives. As you can see, here's all of them that I have. I have 2 Samsung ones, HP one, and the Patriot one. So good luck testing. If you've encountered some increases in your performance, make sure to let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.